Hi, I'm James with JNC Home Repair. Today I'm going to show you how to use a paint or varnish stripper. First thing you want to know about using paint strippers is that they're highly flammable. You want to do it on an outdoors type environment. You don't want to do it inside, closed up in a garage or inside your house or any type of stuff like that. If you are doing it inside the house, there shouldn't be anybody inside, except for just the people that are working there. You actually want to use some kind of rubber gloves when you're handling this type of stuff too, because it will burn your skin. It will give you a real nasty rash, especially if you're using if you've got it on you and you start rubbing up against something or anything, it's gonna tear you up. So that's one thing to consider when you're using this stuff. The particular brand that I'm using today is just a spray-on type. It's real easy to use. All you do is just spray on, give it a little time to activate, and you come back and either scrape off the residue, or you can either wipe it off or even scrub it off with a wire brush. But more often than not, you can just scrape it off.